Teach Man to Fish channel here, and in this video we're going to be making some Calico beans. Not 100% certain that that's what they're called, but that's what we call them. Basically it's a bean mix and I use venison, but you can use beef, you can use pork, whatever you want to put in the beans. Here we go, Calico beans. Here's what goes into the mix. We've got brown sugar. I use deer meat. Meat is garlic, Vidalia sweet onions, ground black pepper, your favorite barbecue, and then you go through what kind of beans you like. A must-have for me, two must-haves for me, are the Smokehouse Tradition. I think it's a fantastic flavor there. And then large butter beans. Those are some of them I drain, like the pinto beans and the kidney beans. Habanero, ground up, food processor, and that's what all goes into the mix. So getting ready to pour the rest of the ingredients in. Ready to go over there. Brown onions, garlic, and this is my rocket stove. Another video, you can check that out. Pretty interesting how this works. So the last time you saw these, they were just starting to boil. We've simmered them down. As they sit, they will thicken up. Calico beans, very tasty, nice complement to everything on the table here. Teach a Man to Fish channel, thank you for watching. Click like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it.